Today's project is one of my favorite because it solves two problems for me. The first was the pile of shoes that has been accumulating in the bottom of my closet. Second problem was the giant growing pile of small scrap plywood that has been accumulating in my shop. So I created these stackable shoe storage boxes. They easily stack together in any configuration you like, and I've got them in 3 different sizes for any type of shoe. Plus, they are fun and easy to put together, so let me show you how I did it.
I searched my scrapwood pile for 3/4 and 1/2 inch plywood pieces. Then I cut them all down to size on my table saw. The bottom of the box is set up 1/4 inch to allow for stacking, so I marked a 1/4 inch line on the bottom of both the side and back pieces. Then I attached the back piece to one of the side pieces using wood glue and a finish nailer. Next, I attached the bottom piece to this back and side. I made sure to line the bottom of the piece up with that 1/4 inch line to set it up from the bottom. Then I attached a top to the side and back as well. However, the top is not flush with the sides. It is 1/4 inch over the top so that it sits inside the bottom of another box. Again, it was secured with glue and nails. To finish the box, I attached the second side, making sure to line up the top and bottom pieces properly to create a box that is open to the front. When sanding the finished shoebox, I made sure to sand the sides of the lip on the top a little extra. This allowed it to easily stack inside the bottom of a second box. I found it was easiest to sand this lip with my corner sander. Then I kept repeating this for as many shoe boxes as I wanted, including building a medium-sized box that I designed to store ankle boots or high tops, and an extra tall box perfect for knee-high boots. I chose not to seal the shoe boxes, but if I was going to, I would make sure to use a penetrating sealer instead of one that creates a film on top, or it might make the boxes too tight to stack properly.
And they're all done. I can organize them and stack them however I want in the bottom of my closet to keep my shoes nice and clean. And the best part is, as I continue to accumulate lots of little plywood scraps when I'm building other things, I can add to my storage shoebox collection until I have enough boxes for all the shoes that I might be buying in the future too. If you like this project, please follow along at housefullofhandmade.com for even more things to build, and hit like and subscribe so you never miss a video.